In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the battery in your Scion IM key fob at home. This device was used on IMs between 2016 and 2018, and it takes one of these CR1620 batteries to run. It's really easy to do, just follow along. The first step is to turn over to the back side here and now look to where this little metal key ring is. And inside, you can see there's a little indentation there. We're going to be inserting a flathead screwdriver into this area. It's like a little slot in the plastic. Just insert your tool in there and twist, and this thing will open up very easily. From there, we will put our flathead screwdriver into this little round piece of plastic, and you do not twist. It might look like that. You actually insert, push down, and pry back, and it will just come off very easily like that. Now this thing sits in there pretty deep. I couldn't really get it out with this regular size flathead, so I will be using a smaller screwdriver. This is a precision screwdriver, which will help to get this battery out safely. If you are kind of in a pinch, you could probably use something like a paper clip, a toothpick, just something that can reach down and get into a small hole right here. Where is it? Right there, where my tool is currently stuck. That's where we want to go. If you want to get something like this, you can go to your local store to get it, or you can go look in the description. I've put a link to get a pack of these on Amazon. They're just a couple of bucks, and they're actually pretty useful, like around the house. So once you have your tool, you will insert this into that little hole in the bottom and just gently pull back. It'll feel like it's not going anywhere. It'll feel like it's stuck. But if you pull back, the battery will fly right out. You'll get a feel for it. It's pretty easy. Here we go. That's a 1620 battery. You're going to take a brand new one and make sure this positive side goes face up, and you just click it down into place. You just push it down with your thumb until it feels secure, and these two little parts, little plastic pieces that hold it in place, are on top of the battery. All we need to do now is push this protector back on and then reattach the back piece of plastic, and we are all set. That's all it takes, guys. So I hope this helped you out, and if it did, you can let us know in the comment section or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing a battery in any key fob from any maker model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.